All right, let's take a look at our Dorian mode in the key of A. Dorian mode is simply just a minor mode with a sharpened sixth tone. Let's take a look at that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to be in the 5th fret area. And our first finger will be at the 5th fret area. And so we're going to start off with frets 5, 7, and 8, just like a regular minor kind of mode. And on string 5, we're going to be playing frets 5 and 7. And that's it. And then we're going to shift a little bit and put our first finger on fret 4. And then so we're going to play on string 4, fret 4, we're going to go 4, 5, 7. So we went like this so far. Okay, now we're going to do the same exact notes on string 3. Okay, now we're going to shift again 1 fret to the 5th, our first finger on the 5th fret. And we're going to go frets 5, 7, and 8. And then same here, 5, 7, and 8. Okay, so here we go, complete Dorian mode. There's your root note, and just a couple notes above it. So you got a root note here, and root note here. Jeff Beck and Leslie West use their Dorian modes a lot. So I'm going to show you a riff that I really love to play in a Dorian mode coming up into that position. I'll play a A5 chord like this. Okay, and then I start the riff on the 5th string open, and then I go to the 3rd fret, and then I go to string number 4, 2nd fret, and then I go to the 4th fret of that same string, and then I'll go to the A note of string 3, 2nd fret, and then I'll play the minor 3rd above that, which is a C on the 5th fret, and slide up into my 5th fret area. So watch this. You're in your A kind of mode. Once again, you play your A, and all right, there's your Dorian mode. Now I'm going to show you one quick little thing that I like to do when I play in this particular mode. But you can hit your A chord and do a little riffing there. You can go like I just showed you. If you utilize those notes. All right, there's your Dorian mode. Have a great day. Subscribe.